Solve the following equation. The quantity x minus 5 squared minus 5 equals 10 plus 2x. Let's start by finding x. We'll use some shortcut multiplication rules. Substitute the given values into our formula and open the parentheses. Now, let's substitute the values into our equation. Rearrange the equation so one side equals 0. Next, gather all similar terms together. Examine the coefficients carefully. It's time to use the quadratic formula. Substitute the values into the formula and solve it step by step. Calculate the squares and do the multiplications. Factor 104 into 4 and 26. Break the square root into the root of each factor. Find the square root of 4. These are the two possible answers, one from addition and one from subtraction. And that's how we solve this problem. Well done!